Hello everyone, my name is Vinis Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about the meaning and formulas of two most important indicators of economic development, HDI and PQLI, or we can say that Human Development Index and Physical Quality Life Index. First of all, we are going to talk about HDI, or we can say the Human Development Index. HDI is given by economist Mehboob ul Haq and Amartya Sen. And HDI provide well understanding of development of any country by including multiple dimension of well-being. And dimension of HDI include health dimension, education dimension, and standard of living dimension. One by one we discuss about each. First of all, we are going to talk about health dimension. Health dimension assess long healthy life through life expectancy. Health dimension assess long healthy life through life expectancy. Life expectancy means how many years a person expect to live. Obviously, if you have more health facilities, that means you are expect to live longer life. For example, Japan has a high life expectancy. Second is education dimension. Education dimension include mean years of schooling and expected year of schooling. Mean years of schooling means average number of year of education completed by people aged 25 or older. मीन्स आपकी कंट्री में जो लोग 25 या उससे ओल्डर हैं उन्होंने कितने ईयर ऑफ एवरेज स्कूलिंग कंप्लीट कर ली है. Okay. Second is expected year of schooling. Expected year of schooling means expected year of education for children who are entering in education system. Means currently those children who are entering in education system, उनसे आप कितना expect करते हो कि वो कितने year तक education को receive कर सकते हैं. It's all depend on your country infrastructure. If in your country have good education facilities, good infrastructure, that means they can receive higher education also without any obstacles. So it's all depend on your country education system and infrastructure. Next is standard of living dimension. This dimension assessed through gross national income. In short, we can say GNI. And this dimension mainly measure income earned by our country people. Obviously, if their income is high, they can easily maintain high standard of living. Now with the help of one formula, we can calculate a value of a health dimension and education dimension. Formula is actual value minus minimum value over maximum value minus minimum value. Now we are going to calculate a life expectancy index. As we earlier discussed, health dimension include life expectancy. That's why now we are going to calculate life expectancy index. Suppose actual life expectancy is equal to 65. The 65 is equal to actual value. And minimum life expectancy is equal to 20. So this 20 is equal to minimum value. And the maximum life expectancy is equal to 85. So this 85 is equal to maximum value. And minimum value is 20. Now we solve this equation and our value will equal to 0.69. This 0.69 will be called a value of life expectancy index. With the help of same formula, we will calculate a value of education dimension. As we earlier discussed, education dimension include mean year of schooling and expected year of schooling. Suppose actual value of mean year of schooling is 12 and minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 18 and minimum value is 0. When we solve this equation, value of mean year of schooling is equal to 0.66 and expected year of schooling same. With the help of same formula, we will calculate expected year of schooling. And actual value is 6, minimum 0 and maximum 15, minimum 0, and when we solve this equation it will become equal to 0.4. Value of mean year of schooling is 0.66 and value of expected year of schooling is 0.4, and we will add this both value and will take average, and final value of education dimension is equal to 0.53. Now we will see standard of living dimension. As we know, we can assess the standard of living through GNI. GNI mainly tell us per capita income. Here formula of calculating GNI same as we earlier discussed in health and education dimension. Only difference is that here we are taking log value. Why? Because there is so much differences between income of people. So Suppose actual per capita income of people is 6200, which represent actual value, and the minimum income is 100 and maximum income is 75,000 and minimum is 100. When we solve this equation, it will become equal to 0.62, and 0.62 will be called value of standard of living dimension, or we can say standard of living index. Now we will calculate a final value of HDI. As we know, HDI include three dimensions: health, education and standard of living dimension, and this is formula of calculating final value of HDI. Cube root of H into E into S. Here H means health dimension, E means education dimension, S means standard of living dimension. We have already calculated value of all these three dimensions, and the value of health dimension is equal to 0.69, and value of education dimension is equal to 0.53, and the value of standard of living dimension is equal to 0.62. When we solve this, it will become equal to 0.61. So 0.61 will be called final value of our HDI. Next is physical quality of life index. In short, we can say the PQLI. It was invented by Morris in 1979. It also have three dimensions: infant mortality. Infant mortality means number of infants dying within 1 year of their birth out of 1000 births. Life expectancy at the age of 1. That means how many years a person expect to live. Last is basic literacy rate. That means any person above the age of 7 who can read or write any one language and also understand it will be considered literate person. Now we are going to talk about formulas to calculate value of PQLI, and there are two formulas, for one for calculating positive variable, other for calculating negative variable. Positive variable include life expectancy and literacy rate. Here we are talking about positivity, we are talking about life, we are talking about education, and formula of calculating positive variable is same as we earlier discussed in HDI. Actual value minus minimum value over maximum value minus minimum value. This formula is same as we earlier discussed in HDI. And this is formula to calculate negative variable. Negative variable will include infant mortality. Obviously here we are talking about death. We are talking about negativity. So formula of calculating negative variable is maximum value minus actual value over maximum value minus minimum value. After calculating value of life expectancy, literacy rate and infant mortality, we can calculate final value of PQLI by this formula. Means we will take average of all three values. Here I am represent infant mortality and LE represent life expectancy and LR represent literacy rate. So this is all about two most important indicator of economic development. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.